Hey guys, Jeremy here from the School of Wok, Covent Garden. Welcome back to our kitchen. For this series, we've teamed up with our great friends Gressingham for all things duck. For those who don't know, Gressingham duck is a unique breed of duck and it's meaty and succulent and there's more breast meat and that's what I love about it. Less fat and rich and gamey in flavour and really brings out the depth of duck that it should be. This Saturday Special series is all about celebrating Chinese New Year and more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and thanks to Gressingham. This week's Saturday Special is a tamarind hoisin braised duck, the type of dish my mum likes to cook. Let's start with the duck legs. And of course, Gressingham, absolutely everywhere for a reason, do the best duck. So, your duck legs straight in, we're going to marinate those quite quickly. Just with a little bit of light soy, some Shaoxing rice wine, and some sesame oil. Give that a good rub through. Ideally you leave this overnight to take in that flavour. And a nice little trick is just to sort of get your fingers into the skin and try and get that marinade rubbed into the meat as much as possible too. So you want to cover that, pop it in the fridge. And the base of my braising liquid, you can use a bit of ginger and spring onion. Either chunks or slices of the ginger are fine. I'm going to go quite generous on the spring onion to add flavour to the actual oil. Just take the ends off and then good size lengths or chunks of spring onion. And then we can actually start the cooking straight away. So I'm going to take a little bit of oil, not too much because you'll get a lot of oil or fat coming off the duck skin. So I'm just going to start to crisp up my ginger and spring onion first. Straight in, you do want that ginger to crisp up nicely. As soon as that hits the hot oil, you get a real essence and flavour from both those ingredients. Your duck's going to come straight back in now. Just going to grab that from the fridge. So on a medium to high heat, you get your marinated duck, skin side down so it starts to sort of render that fat. If you have any excess marinade in the bowl, don't throw it away, keep that as well. You can throw that into the actual mix once we're ready. You can smell the rice wine coming straight off the pan. Now I want to get the skin nice and crispy, not that it's going to end up crispy, just so it kind of contracts that skin as much as possible. And then because of the sort of opening up of the pores of the skin, when I start to add all the liquid and the sauce, that braising liquid will really sort of soak into the duck. And that is how to braise the right way. So whilst the duck's sizzling away, I'm going to prepare the rest of my ingredients. I've got some sweet potato here. Now you can use, actually traditionally in Chinese cooking we use yam for this type of dish, this braised duck dish. So you want nice chunks of sweet potato or yam, either or, works really well with this. And that's to add to the braising liquid and obviously adds a bit of texture, get more quite hearty dish, but also the sort of flouriness of the sweet potato just sips into the sauce over time and you get a nice sort of thickened sauce. So that's for later. The only other thing I have to do now is make up my sauce. So I'm going to use that sort of extra marinade from the bowl. I've got some oyster sauce here, not too much, about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. And the main flavour is going to come from about 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste or tamarind concentrate. You get some nice sort of natural sweet sour flavour. Hoisin sauce works really well with that. Just balances out the sour with a bit more sweet And again, texture-wise, really good for caramelizing into dishes like this. And because of the hoisin sauce, I'm not going to add any sugar. The last bit of sweet I've got is ketchup mayonnaise, and you'll see, whoa, how treacly that is. Now, of course, it's quite thick and sticky, this sauce, like this. So that's not going to be enough liquid to braise my duck, but I want to caramelize it in this sauce first, and then I'm going to add chicken stock to cover it and braise properly. So with your duck, it's always worth, if you haven't blanched it or anything like that, to just pour out any excess oil before I start to add any sauce. Of course, if you're making roasties or anything like that, keep that fat for tomorrow. Make your roast potatoes with that duck fat, spring onion, ginger. Whoa. Right. And I don't mind any sort of caramelized texture in the base of the saucepan, because the sauce is going to bring that and straight off the pan and give it even more flavour. Still on a medium to high heat here. My sauce is going to go in. So what you want to do is sort of caramelise that sauce, bring off any sort of sticking off the base of the pan, because that's where all the flavour sits. And I want this duck to caramelise in the sauce for a couple of minutes before I start to add my chicken stock. So I'm just turning the pieces of duck round so both sides get all that flavour. And now we're starting to braise. Nice sticky texture. So once you've got a nice caramelised sauce on the bottom, that's when your chicken stock wants to go in. You want to cover your duck with chicken stock. Bring that to a boil and then down to simmer. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes before you then add your sweet potato. So the duck's had 10 minutes on a simmer. My sweet potato going in now for the next sort of 20 to 30 minutes. And that will just, once it starts to cook, start to thicken the sauce as well. Depending how much sort of liquid you've got in there, you might need to lift the lid later on. 20-30 minutes on a simmer, and then your dish is pretty much ready. So my duck legs have been going for a good sort of 40 minutes altogether. Nice and slowly braised. The sauce is a good texture now. You can see that sort of it's wanting to fall off the bone. And this is really quite a lovely sort of warming autumn or winter dish. And perhaps something that people wouldn't really think about cooking with duck. But braised duck, sort of homely dishes that my mum used to cook quite a lot. Good amount of sauce there, my sweet potato, and because it's cooked the sweet potato for at least sort of 20 to 30 minutes, it sort of sips into the sauce, thickens up that sauce. Coriander works really well with this. Braised duck in a tamarind hoisin sauce. It should just sort of pull apart, and you can see that, how easy that comes off the bone. You take it with a little bit of that sweet potato. In fact, I really should have used a spoon. Try a bit of that sauce. Oh, that is so good. The sweet potato and the sweetness of the sweet potato is kind of sipped into the sauce as well. Oh, so homely. Absolutely love it. For more duck recipes and cooking tips, check out the Gressingham website. Don't forget to subscribe.